Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning.
Can you introduce yourself?
I'm Mayra de la Rosa Bacani. I'm 40 years old. I live at 2360 Ruby Street, San Andres, Bukid, Manila. I have two children. Their age is 15 and 18 years old. And I have 7 siblings.
And you are the?
I am the fourth children of 8 of 8.
Okay, are you single or married?
I am married, ma'am.
Okay, who will take care of your kids when you go to Hong Kong?
My in-laws, mother-in-law.
Okay. Are you a high school or college graduate?
College, only college level, ma'am. First year college.
Okay. Do you have any experience in working abroad?
Yes, ma'am.
In which country?
In Jeddah, Saudi Arabia.
For how long?
Since 2010 up to 2017.
How many years?
And when my first employer, I worked them in 2 years.
Okay.
Then I will exit in 2013 and I apply in another employer also for other
For how
apply.
long?
2 years also. I finished my contract.
Okay. What are your main duties with them?
Cooking, take care of children, ironing, and I'll do all the household work in their house.
Okay, why did you choose to work in Hong Kong?
I chose to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, because if I compared my salary in Saudi, uh, Hong Kong is more big than Hong Kong.
Okay.
Hong Kong than Saudi.
Do you know how to cook some simple Chinese food?
No, ma'am. Just on the Arabian food.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, ma'am. I'm willing to learn.
Are you willing to take care of a newborn baby?
Yes, ma'am. I am willing.
How about an elder person?
Yes, ma'am. Also, I will.
Okay. What can you teach to your employer's children?
I will teach them, ma'am, how to. I will teach them good manners, ma'am, and I will teach also English, how to English spoken, and teach them rhyme songs.
Okay, can you sing a nursery song?
McDonald had a E-I-E-I-O. Or Twinkle Twinkle, Twinkle Twinkle Little Star, how I wonder what you are. Out above the world so high, like a diamond in the sky.
Okay. What kind of employer are you looking for?
Nice and understanding, ma'am.
Okay, are you afraid of dogs and cats?
No, ma'am.
What can you say about yourself, your attitude?
Ma'am, I'm hardworking and honest, patient.
Okay, can you give a short message to your future employer?
Ma'am, if you will choose me as your helper, I will promise that I will do my duties and my responsibility. And I'm willing to learn how according to your instruction.
Okay. Are you promised or can you promise to finish your contract?
Yes, ma'am. I promise that I will finish my contract with you.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.